Hey, what's good, guys? Oh shit. So today, I'm not gonna be. Somewhat, I'm gonna be installing a two-step on my white truck, and then that was at my homeboy's crib. So I'm gonna I'm gonna make my way to his crib, and then I'll pick up the camera when I get over there. But what's up, guys? Finally decided to pick up the camera. My gatito.
What's up, boy? Well, it's gonna be easy.
What?
So I already took the dash out, and then I had to take that the fan tube, or whatever you fucking call it, and then I can just reach inside. And then I already took out that old harness.
It looks somewhat cleaner.
Yeah.
Oh, and that goes in that hole.
Yeah. Cause it was just hanging, and then so I guess the harness, it was just laying in the back, so it was just touching the block. One of the fuses, or I don't know if it was during or after.
Burnt or what?
It was burnt. So it was just burning.
Fresh paint.
And I had to take the radio out, but I'm gonna put the button right here.
Wait, did you find it or not?
Yeah, it's in the truck. I'm gonna put it right here.
Told you it was in there.
Yeah. Put it right here, and then I'm gonna fix some of the stuff in here.
Wow, some maintenance.
Some maintenance.
What is this? How they don't have the, what do you call it, the retard thing?
Yeah, it's not the LNC 2000. This one's just
Basically just for noise, huh?
well, no,
No. Oh, motor, right?
no, it's an actual two-step, just a two-step. But the LNC 2000, that one has the timing retard, so that one you can put it on nitrous, or you can control the timing. This one you only have your launch control RPMs, and then I don't know how the secondary works, but you have a secondary RPM, which you're not gonna use. You don't need.
I know.
But
Maybe that one. Maybe that one. Who's that?
a queer. Right here, though, regardless. So I'm gonna have to like tuck it up here, and then whenever you want it, just Velcro off.
Oh, that's fine.
Yeah. So we need to go buy some Velcro. Just mount it up here. It's like $1.
Oh.
What?
Oh.
What?
Nothing.
But it's gonna go right
Oh,
there.
you already have it ran through?
Yeah.
Damn. What does that connect to?
No, so I'm done there for now, and then I just have to wire the button, and that's it.
Oh,
And then up here, so I got this one over here, and I got one right here, and it just goes right here.
That's it?
And that's it.
Damn.
But I'm just gonna run it nice and run it underneath all that crap. And
Oh, all the what?
all that crap.
I would just throw everything on top.
I know you would've.
Well, honestly, I wouldn't have even touched this. I know you wouldn't have. This is my negrito mechanic, Ivan. ¿Y eso qué?
Your coils.
No, like all the other stuff gets deleted or what?
What?
That connection?
No. And it plugs into. It's like a bridge.
Oh, okay.
Just plug it up into there, and then yours is kind of weird, so just tuck it away. Tuck all these wires away.
Yeah, it's better than the Chow Busy.
Shut up. It's gonna look better once we get the new harness in here. And now it doesn't even look like you have one.
Where is it?
Where's it at? Now I just need to run this side. Should be easy. Run it back of this. Through here. Plug this.
Oh, that sounded like it hurt.
Just a little. Plug. Plug this one in. There you go. And then
What I really need to do on this truck is an oil change. I'm serious.
Just tuck it away. That should be fine.
And then there's 3 prongs go to the button.
No, only one.
Only one?
Yeah, you can either activate it with a 12-volt source, which will be the yellow one, and then you can activate it with a ground, which would be the orange one, which is what we're gonna do. I think it's the orange one. I need to check. But and
That's
then
very confident of you.
shut up. Look, it tells you right here. Yellow is 12 volts. Green is green. We're using green.
Ground activation.
Yeah. Ground never gives me a problem, so I'm gonna use ground. And then
It's gonna be warm, right?
yeah. Well, it's better safe. You have to let it warm up and it'll work good.
Mira, estos sí son amigos.
Paila, paila.
Mucha agua, yo que pago la manguera. Ahora toma.
Mira, ya la pagué, güey.
Ah, es todo.
Shout out my little mama for letting me come today.
Yo, hey. So it is currently a few days later. I'm just trying to show you how it sounds, because I didn't get that in the last clips, and where it connects to. It connects to right here, and right here for the coil packs. And it's going to be the same thing on the other side. Right here and right here. I don't know why it's everywhere right now, but oh well. Yeah, that's how it is on this side in the engine bay. And the interior, it's gonna be down here. I know it's hanging right now. I haven't gotten the Velcro. And then here's a little button set up. That's right under my stereo. Easy to reach. And I'll show you how it sounds right here in a little bit. And that right there is how the two-step sounds. I couldn't really like give it more because I'm not trying to get a noise complaint on these neighbors. They like to snitch. But anyways, if y'all made it this far, appreciate y'all for watching the video. I'll see you on the next one. Peace out.